Hi guys, welcome back to your own channel guys. What we have exactly told you that only happened. You can see that guys exactly taken here only resistance in Dow Jones, and our first target reached, second target, third target also reached, almost fourth target also reached, slightly 1 point only left. And I have told you at second target only you have to book 70 to 80%, and after that you can book your third to fourth target your rest of 30%. Okay guys, after that only it reversible. You can see that how nicely our analysis has been working. You can see here. Okay guys, in Russell 3000 also exactly you can see that our accuracy is 100% almost. I will tell you, this is taken exactly here only resistance. Our first target reach, second target, third target. After that only third target reach, here only consolidate and uses upside momentum. Okay guys, here also you can see in SPX also. In SPX you can see that exactly taken resistance. Our first target reach, second target also reach, third, fourth target. After that only here only consolidate and gives us upside momentum. Okay guys, we can see next index is NASDAQ. You can see that in NASDAQ it continuously taken here only resistance. First time it break out, but this is the breakout failure. This is second time, third time also tried. At fourth time I have told you, third to fourth time only it gonna break. So this is fourth time it came for a resistance and it broke. Okay guys, it broken and it's right now taking a supporting area. Okay guys, so right now we can see next stock is that Tesla. Okay guys, you can see that our accuracy is 90 to 95% in index. You can see that guys. Okay guys, we can see here guys, Tesla, I have told you exactly it has taken here only resistance, and I have told you this is the trend line. If this will break, then only go for short, but it hasn't broken down and taking continuously here only the supporting area and taken a upside momentum. Okay guys, we can see next stock is Microsoft. Okay guys, in Microsoft also it continuously first time taken a resistance, second time it came downside. I have told you two times it taken a resistance, then definitely third times it brooks. Third time also not broke, then fourth time obviously it brooks. You can see that exactly broken and taking support from here only. Okay guys, we can see for Apple also. In Apple also I have told you, but what happened? It's slightly a sideways only. After that it continuously consolidate up till here only. I have told you the target is. After that only you can see that reversible, how nicely reversible has been came. After reaching our all the target it became a reversible. So you can see that our accuracy is 90 to 95% accurate. In index you can see that all three index has been given us very nice target. In Nasdaq only the breakout failure has happened, otherwise we have got very nice trade. You can check out, I have not done any editing. You can check out my previous video also. Okay guys, if you like this video guys, thank you. Hope you like this video guys.